हाँ इधर आ जाओ थोड़ा।
बैक लाइट।
चलो फिर से देख नहीं रही, रुको रुको रुको। नहीं पता इसको क्यों हाइड करना था भाई। यार बहुत अच्छा लगे। Oh my God। ये जो है ना, wait wait wait, wait wait, I want this यार। Everything will be alright. So it's day after my birthday and I just want to show whatever I just got for my birthday. Like I'm so blessed, so happy, but first of all ignore the voice coming out of like from out because I know this is the different setup. I wanted to shoot this in an AC room and yes, as you can see I got a lot of stuff. First thing first, I'm gonna show you what I got for my birthday is these nails. Look at them, so pretty. I got this done by an amazing Barry nail artist. Like she's the best nail artist in my town and yeah, there's somewhere her ID. You can go check her out and she does amazing. She knows her job very well. So the best part, now I want to share what gifts that I got from other people, from my loved ones, from my closies. I was literally crying, you know, opening all those gifts and everyone was, you know, kind of like staring at me like isko kya ho gaya. But it was so overwhelming and I was not expecting this much of like love, this much of like gifts from everyone that I love. And yeah, I'm so grateful and I'm so much happy that I even got them. So the first thing that I got is this. मैंने इसको अपने फ़ोन पर लगाया हुआ था बट अभी मैंने वीडियो के लिए इसको फिर से उतार दिया. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट इज दिस रोड फ़ोन केस. आई वांटेड दिस फॉर सो लॉन्ग. जब से ये केस लॉन्च हुए थे मुझे तब से ही चाहिए थे. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट इज दिस रोड पेप्टाइड लिप टिंट एंड आई गॉट इन द शेड आई डोंट नो. एंड आई वाज लाइक लिटरली so blessed and so happy that I even got it. और मुझे इतनी देर से ये दोनों चीज़ें चाहिए थी और ये दोनों चीज़ें मुझे मिल गई. Thank you for giving me this and this too. This and this is given by my niece Tansu and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. And selected these. She was like, Angel Masi पे ये अच्छा लगेगा. So she got me this and it's so pretty and it's so comfy. ये वाली बहुत comfy है. The next thing I want to show you is this gift that I got from my sister. She is my cousin and you know I don't consider her as my cousin because she is literally my younger sister. You guys know Garima, right? So this is given by Garima and she handmade it. So pretty. It's like happy birthday and it's our photo and it's like happy 20th. It has like all the songs inspired by my pictures and it's kind of like baby me and it's also baby me. Next thing I got is this from her. It's saying Times of India. Happy birthday, Angel. Thank you. Even my cousin, I just can't believe it. I was like, क्यों भगवान आपने उसको मेरी बहन क्यों नहीं बनाया? Then I got this from her. मैंने उसको ना पहले मना किया था कि I'm not expecting any gifts from you because तुम छोटी हो. And she was like, हाँ ठीक है नहीं दूंगी. But anyway, she got me and yeah, she got me this bracelet and it's so pretty. The necklace मंगवा के दिया है. And it's saying S because my nickname is Sanya. तो उसने मुझे S का लिख दिया. So pretty. एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगी, मुझे नहीं पता इन सब लोगों को कैसे पता था कि मुझे वो चीज़ें चाहिए थी और उन लोगों ने मुझे वही दी हैं. एंड इवन देयर थिंग्स आर सो थॉटफुल. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था कि लोग इतना भी सोचते हैं, इतनी भी डिटेलिंग्स पे ध्यान देते हैं एंड वो इतना मेरे बारे में देखते हैं. मुझे पता नहीं था कि दैट दे लाइक यू नो ओवरलुक मी दिस मच. थिंग आई वांट टू शो यू इज दिस. यू सी इट. इस चीज पे मैं रोई थी because it's just younger me and I'm just 20 now and it's just so kind of like overwhelming that I am like I'm an adult now. This gift is got by my bestie Leah. Love this picture. This is kind of like I was like 1.5 months in this picture. It's so cute. Happy birthday, Angel. Thank you. The lyrics, which are only saying 20 years old, 20 years old, 20 years old. So thoughtful. You know, I was just saying that, like how they can't even think of that. It's just so thoughtful and so creative. Inside the bag, Leah got me this. Okay. पहले से वो आपको दिखाना चाहता है कि मैं क्या हूँ. तो ये उसने मुझे दिया है and if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that how much I love her and how much I post about her. Like, so she got me Ariana Grande poster. आपको पता है कि like I love green, like I love green, blue and lavender and pink and stuff. And you know, उसका और उसकी छोटी बहन मिली has like have that all essence of my favorite colors. You know, this green is giving Ariana. I was so happy. मैंने जब इसको you know just even खोला ही है and I was like, Ariana, what are you doing here? She got me like my favorite chips. So I love Pringles. First thing first, ठीक है. I love Pringles. उसे ये चीज़ पता है कि मैं Pringles खाती हूँ और उसको ये भी पता है कि मुझे पेरी पेरी वाले Pringles पसंद है because I love peri peri. Even I love peri peri fries, peri peri rice, everything. I love peri peri. So she got me these peri peri Pringles. Thoughtful, right? कितना thoughtful है यार. ये वाले चिप्स जो हैं ये कुछ ज़्यादा ओवररेटेड नहीं है, ये बहुत अंडररेटेड है. आई डोंट नो, मे बी सम ऑफ यू न्यू इट और नॉट. येलो डायमंड के कोरियन स्पाइस, दीज आर लाइक माई फेवरेट. मैं इसको लाइक हफ्ते में 3-4 बार खाती थी बट देन आई गॉट स्टमक प्रॉब्लम. तो फिर मुझे डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया कि बेटा इतनी स्पाइसी चीज़ें मत खाना, इट्स वेरी स्पाइसी. तो मैं इसको अब 2 हफ्तों में एक बार खाती हूँ. शी गॉट मी लाइक chocolate. She got me this Kit Kat mini like Tola chocolate caramel wafer. I don't know, मैंने इसको कभी try नहीं किया. So we're gonna try it. ठीक. I think Leah got me is this. Just so cute. Saying for Mamacita by Liu. What I said, I love pink, blue and leopard print. You know, my sister also did this. Garima also did this. Garima also did this. She knows that how much I love leopard print. How much? I just love leopard print a lot. I even got to that place for my birthday because it had leopard print cushions and leopard print chairs. It was just like my vibe. I'm going there. So, is you know also covered in leopard print, and she wrote like always wanted to give you this. She got me this necklace which is saying Angel, which is my name. बहुत ज़्यादा misconception रहता था सबको मेरे नाम को लेके. तो my real name is Angel. मेरे आधार कार्ड पे मेरे हर जगह पे मेरा एंजल ही नाम है. सानिया इज माई निकनेम. वो मेरे भैया ने मुझे दिया था, तो आई वाज जस्ट यूजिंग इट, बट आई थॉट लाइक you know, angel. I am an angel. So just go back to angel. She wrote me a letter that I got is this. It's a record written angels have curly hair, because I have curly hair. Just not looking curly enough, I know that, but I have curly hair. See it again. Pink, blue, green. And it is a leopard print scarf. Told you. It's a record of our song. It's gonna say like, I love my best friend. And she knows that I love Ariana Grande, and it says written by Ariana Grande. See it. Thing that I got is this. This is like, it's Angel's birthday and she wanted to like show me this very soon, and I have also clicked pictures with this. Got from Millie. Thank you so much. And yeah, the details of this gift too. Like, it's obviously handmade. My picture, it's giving kind of like essence of pink, which I love. It's saying Positions. Positions is my favorite album by Ariana Grande. I'm gonna cry, okay? Like, how I am so blessed to even got these people in my life, and it's just so overwhelming for me to just even got them. So it's saying Positions. You know, it's kind of like, आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बिग डील नहीं होंगे, but it is for me like, okay, people do really notice me, you know. And then the bag, and on the bag it has all the Ariana Grande Position album songs, or maybe track, you can say whatever. So it's saying Motive. It's kind of like one of my favorite. Just Like Magic is in my bio. Just Like Magic is on my Instagram ID. I just had it on my bio. And main thing, I love this song. My Hair, it's, मुझे तो पता नहीं उसको कैसे पता है कि Hair is my go-to everyday song. How does she know that? पता नहीं. And then Grande, and then Point of View. I love Point of View, and this leopard print. Next, अब हम इसको खोल के दिखाएंगे. Oh my god, leopard print, angel, pink. Just gonna blue. 20. It's saying 20. Saying 20. From here I got these press-on she got for me. This envelope, I got like a lot of my pictures. Okay, 1 second. Okay, me. This is मुझे पता नहीं उसको कैसे पता है, but he is my favorite K-drama actor. So she also got me this, and I love Weak Hero. So and then I got this picture of mine, and of course Ariana Grande in pink. Okay, my phone is pink too. I love pink. So just so cute. Last picture I got is this from her, and I just can't even describe how I'm feeling right now. Another stuff I got from Leah is this top, and it's just giving such a cunty vibe. It's kind of like a button-up top. Got this stuff from my best friend Gia. This is so cute, like it has deer in it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Deer. Next I got is this dress from Gia too, and इस ड्रेस में यहाँ पे शोल्डर पैड्स लगे हैं, तो to just give me like more shoulders. So pretty. और नहीं बोला था कि this is a winter dress too, तो मैं ये सर्दियों में पहनूंगी because हाँ इसका स्टफ थोड़ा मोटा लग रहा है, तो मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी गर्मियों में डाल के इसको. What is this? it was giving kind of like Christmas vibe. She knows that I love green, blue, green, blue. I got this from Purnima, and she's also like my childhood best friend. And this, it is giving so much kind of like Christmas mugs. For a context, I love Christmas too. So the next thing that I got is this candle. It is pink in color. It is rose scented. Now just like the most unexpected thing that I got. I was just like not even expecting. I was like, ये कैसे मिल सकता मुझे भाई? SL का perfume like. Are you kidding? Kidding? It smells luxurious. It smells so good. Next thing is also unexpected. और मैंने ये बोला था but मुझे लगा नहीं था कि कोई मुझे सच में ही दे देगा. So इस पे मैं रोना नहीं चाहती हूँ but मेरा रोना निकल जाएगा. Digicam. पिंक इन कलर, ऑफ कोर्स. मेरा फोन पिंक है और मेरा डिजिकैम भी पिंक ही होगा ना, ऑफ कोर्स. बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि ये ऐसे भी कर देता है. इसको यहाँ से ओपन करती हूँ. So cute. Also makes sound. So cute. It's like, see, such a digicam vibe. These stickers के ऊपर लगा सकते हैं. Hello Kitty stickers. I'm done. That I got from the people who just really care about me and who are always there for me, and I love them so much. And it was just like the best day ever in my life. I love turning 20 because I'm just speechless. इतने efforts, इतनी creativity, इतनी money मेरे पे spend की. So thankful for you guys. I love you so much. So that's it for my birthday vlog / what I got on my birthday / gifts haul. And I'm just so thankful for you all guys. Thank you so much Bhagwan ji. Thank you so much to my parents for, you know, just giving me life, for giving me these gifts. And thank you so much to my friends, to my close ones who are literally in my heart, for giving and, you know, making my day this special. And I love you all, and I love you guys too who are supporting me and seeing this video. And see you next time, and I promise that I will be consistent on YouTube too. So bye.